Hey, what's going on, everybody? I am here at Micro Center, Mayfield Heights, Ohio. I'm about to get my motherfucking AMD Ryzen 7 PC build. Yep. I need to look for is a processor. So let's go. I need one AMD Ryzen 7, please. On the frame on the so my man's is rounding up all my stuff, right? How the hell y'all justify paying over $100 for these keyboards? I'm confused. I don't understand. Let me just type on that. $180. I don't understand. I mean, this one's 90. I don't know what to do.
This one's 129.
I'm waiting on my kind sir to get me my monitor because my build is almost done. Ringing out my stuff. Ringing up my stuff. Ringing up my stuff. Ringing up my stuff. Ringing out. Oh yeah. Oh yeah, got the day, yeah, yeah, we got the stuff, yeah. So this is all the stuff in a little wagon thing, cause there wasn't no way my black ass is about to take no shit with my bare hands up to that shit. So I got me a motherfucking wagon. You know those pictures where the girl's holding her hand out? Yeah, this is whose hand I want to hold. This one right here. Yeah. Going up the elevator with my shit. Walking out the elevator with my shit. With my shit. I would be the guy who spends all this money to get a new PC and everything that you need and then forget the motherboard and the SSD. So I'm back. You can't see it. I'm back. There's Micro Center. I'm back. On my way. I'm putting my mask on. I got everything this time. Plus a little bit more. I had to get a network adapter and a USB cable. Would somebody explain to me why the fuck it's snowing in May? How? It was 80 degrees yesterday. Shit.